I'ma be. Today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Today's my birthday. I'm 28 and great. 28 and great. Yes. Today's my birthday, and as you guys know, every year on my birthday, this hair, it gets colored. It gets colored. I've always done a brownish color. I know last year, which is this color, I was really going for blonde, but this is what it turned out to be. So this year, your girl's going, drum roll please, I'm going red. Yes, I'm going red. I've never done any other color before besides brown, blonde-ish. I did have a lot of colors when I was the hair model. We all know how that went. That made me do the big chop. So, different story, different day, moving right along with that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm really excited to go red. I normally do the dark and lovely color, but they didn't have the box color that I was looking for. So today we are doing the Creme of Nature. Yes, the Creme of Nature brand. It is C31 Vivid Red, and I'm really excited to try it. You guys know I color my own hair, and I take all the needed steps to make sure my hair is revitalized, re-moisturized, and it is not going to be damaged. Okay. After I wash my hair, I am of course going to go in with a hair mask. That's just part of the process that I do, like I said, to bring my hair back to life. And the hair mask that I'm going to be using is by Mila. I don't really use a lot of their products. I heard Mila is such a good brand, so I'm trying their hair mask. This hair mask is actually not only for your hair, it's also for your body. So it is a rice water clay mask, and I'm super excited to use this. It says you need to use this every 2 weeks, so don't use this mask like every day on your hair. So yeah, it smells amazing. I already just been smelling it. This is what it looks like. Nice, beautiful color. And then after I wash my hair, I am then going to wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner. And I'm going to try the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. This is a color shield. This is the conditioner. I wanted to try this color shield conditioner and shampoo because it's supposed to help your hair stay colored, revitalized, bring the vibrancy back into it. And I really needed some more shampoo and conditioner, and I wanted to try this, and I thought it was perfect to try since I am coloring my hair. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Then after that, I am going to go in with the Apogee Balancing Moisturizer. There we go. Right here is what I'm using. Yes, this is the Apogee Balancing Moisturizer. I absolutely love this product. When my hair is just feeling brittle, when it's just feeling dry, and maybe I've done a wash and go, you know, I use gels and my hair just needs that moisture back in there, I always go in with a deep conditioner with that product. That balancing moisturizer, it just brings my hair back to life. It makes my curls pop, and I freaking love it. Freaking love it. So those are the products I'm going to be using today to help color my hair. I hope it turns out and it's everything that I want and more. So without further ado, let's go get into the video. I made a mess on my counter sink. I knew the color was gonna stain, but sheesh, it's staining bad. Anyways, I set it in the dryer for 10 minutes. I'm now about to go ahead and use my Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These two right here. I'm actually going to do the shampoo first, and then I'm going to go in with the hair mask, and then I'm dropping stuff, their actual shampoo, then the Afro G moisturizer, and we're going to see what the final results are looking like. Keep in mind with the hair mask and the shampoo, and especially the Afro G balancing moisturizer, I'm keeping it in my head for 30 minutes and I'm sending it in the dryer. So heat does wonders with your hair, especially when you have a leave-in conditioner or you're deep conditioning. It's amazing. So let's go wash it out. All right, everybody, I am completely done with washing my hair. I have done the hair mask, the balancing moisturizer, the deep conditioner, everything. Let's see what it finally the final color looks like. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like I said, I cannot wait to do wash and goes. I did a little bang. That's what my hair will look like. My hair is soft. It smells good. I'm gonna do a twist out, so I'm definitely about to go ahead and twist my hair out. Yes. Box color, guys. Box color. So with all that being said, you already to do, like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. And happy birthday to me. Birthday to me. 28 and great. 28 and great. Yes. Bye, y'all.